What's up, guys? It's me, obviously, and I'm saying this again because my microphone crashed. I'm doing my everyday makeup routine, and a lot of people have been asking, like, show us how you do your eyebrows, show us how you do your eyeliner, etc. And so I thought, like, I'll show it, but also do, like, what I do every day as well, instead of just a tutorial. I don't know, I feel like a lot of people wouldn't really click on that, but I'll name this what I named it, you'll see. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I do not do good on eyeliner. I just kind of do whatever, and then I clean it up with a concealer brush that looks like this. It's super old, and I just like found it when I was like in 9th grade, and now I use it ever since. You could tell it's like disgusting and black on the end. And so I'm gonna show you everything that I use on my face. I don't wear face makeup, but I use this foundation to like fix my eyeliner and my eyebrows. So this is the one I use. It doesn't really matter. I will use whatever as long as it matches. That's just, I've had it for a long time, so I just use it. And then I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I normally use telescopic, but I wanted to try this one. And then I have the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. Just, you know, regular pomade. I might be getting my eyebrows microbladed for my birthday. My birthday's in like 3 days, so that's exciting. Or 4 days. 4 days, 3 days, whatever. And then I use recently, it's a NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner. I normally use this like cheap Wet n Wild one, which I've used since I started doing my eyeliner. But I got this one because they didn't have my normal one at Target, and I'm being the most honest about this. Like, I'm not lying. I have cried so many times with this on. Like, full on tears, mocos y todo. Like, it was a good cry. And this did not bleed. Like, nothing. If you cry or anything, this is it. I promise. It was $10, but it's worth it. I was kind of mad that it was $10, but you can cry, nobody can tell. And then occasionally I'll use like waterline eyeliner. It's also waterproof, Wet n Wild, just a regular whatever that is. And that's it. Oh, I forgot my eyebrow brush. Wow, I knew I was forgetting something. Hold on. Bro, I literally don't know where it is. I can't do my makeup without it. I'm gonna go in my mouth. Oh, I was sitting on it. Alright, well, this is what I use. It is so old. I've had it since 9th grade as well. I bought it at Target. It's Sonia Kashuk. I don't remember. But I just refuse to buy a new one because I don't want to. But yeah, it's super gross. Look at the end of it. Like, that's disgusting, but I use it anyways, so that's the brush for that. We're gonna get started. I normally start with my eyebrows, so I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use this random palette for a mirror. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so you can really see. Wow, we have close and personal. Okay, as long as I slouch, we should be good. I'm gonna say right now, normally when I use like a mirror like this, I tend to mess up more. So if my eyebrows look a little bit nasty, that's why. So this is going to be an up and close personal video. Alright, so I just dip it. So we're going to brush them out. My hair is all up in the way. My hair is growing at a rapid pace, which I'm not mad about. But it's annoying at the moment because we're at a weird stage. But anyways. Okay, so first I outline. Oh my god, I hate doing my makeup like this. I should have just done it. Nah, my room's a mess. Never mind. And then I do the top. I also have always had this red dot for like the past 3 years. I don't know why it's there. But it doesn't go away. So I outline like that. And then whatever's left on the brush, I do the bottom. A lot of people get on me about like blending the front, but personally I don't like to. But I mean, to each their own. If you like darker eyebrows or a less prominent line, then you do that. But I like it to look kind of like that, so I will keep doing it that way. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrow. I hope you guys can see it because I'm blind. I can't see the. I should probably put my contacts in. No, I'm too lazy. And I'm pretty sure they're expired. I need to stop doing that. They're expensive. Because this like eyebrow brush is so bad, I have to like clean the spoolie because it doesn't blend it properly because there's so much makeup on it. Disgusting, I know, but whatever. So I'm gonna just keep doing this until it gets lighter right here because I don't like them to be super dark. And then I do the other eyebrow. Oh my god, I didn't tell you guys. I got this hoodie from my girlfriend. I told her I wanted it. That was not me telling her to buy it. I would have bought it when I got paid, but she went and bought it anyways, and it's so cute. It's from Unexpected. Yeah. But yeah, she got it for me. She's so sweet. And then I've already gotten like a few gifts like early because like I picked them, but my mom does like this budgeting thing where she sets aside money for each thing. So like Pumbaa already bought all her stuff like forever ago. She got a new PC for her birthday, which was way more than the money she set aside, but she got it for her birthday. She would have had to bought it anyways, you know what I mean? And then I bought a bag, my pumpkin bag, this pumpkin bag, and then I bought a necklace that was kind of expensive. Not kind of, it was expensive, but it's really good quality, so like I understand why it was expensive. But like, do I kind of regret the purchase? Yes, I do, but it's okay. And then I got, oh my god, it's getting hot. I got shoes. These shoes right here. Yeah. Even though like I'm not going anywhere, when I do go somewhere, I can wear those. So. Arm is tired. I'm gonna put my hat on just because it'll hold my hair back. Too lazy to get a headband. You can't really see it. Can you see it? Is it on straight? Blind. Whatever. It's holding my hair back. If you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram right there. Thank you. Oh my god. I cannot stand this eyebrow. Like, this is my least favorite eyebrow. You know how you have a least favorite eyebrow, like side of something? This is it. I can't stand it. But I also can't tell if I don't like this one either. So I hate my eyebrows in general. Like, they make me really mad, and I honestly hate the shape of my eyebrows and the way that they grow. We're not friends, okay? And I will never love my eyebrows because of the way that they grow. Like, they don't grow up here. So it looks like I'm like literally drawing on an eyebrow. I am drawing on the rest of my eyebrow. Because if I filled it in the way it would be, it would literally be like this. That's, no. You know, personally, I don't like it. So then I take my concealer brush. Let me see if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can. Oh, I feel like I'm so far. I have a question, okay? I recently got Instagram 3 months ago. 2 months ago? 3 months ago? Almost 3 months ago. Whatever. And I follow people, obviously, and people post, like, daily or every other day. Like, I get that they're, like, influencers, but, like, even people my own age, they be posting, like, almost every other day or, like, at least 3 times a week. And I'm like, I posted 2 times in the past 3 months. Like, I don't know, like, I guess it's because I don't, like, know how to take pictures, because anytime I take pictures, it's, like, for my girlfriend, like, of my makeup, that's it. So, like, both of my posts is just me, but, like, people post, like, their whole outfit, but, like, I hate how I dress, so I guess that kind of goes into it. I don't know. See, it doesn't make sense. Like, people have been posting on their birthdays. Like, I've seen so many birthdays since I've gotten Instagram. Like, oh my god. Like, a lot of Leos also. But anyways. Oh my god, it's pink. Like, where do people find the time and like how, because I can't do that. Like I can't just take pictures. Like I feel stupid. Is it just me? I don't know, like first world problems. I get it, but like I'm confused, you know? So eyeliner's about to come. The moment you've all been waiting for. I take way too long on my eyebrows, but I'm so insecure about my eyebrows. Every time they come out different. It's never the same. One's thicker than the other. One's higher than the other. I don't know. Like I said, I can't stand my eyebrows, and I'm very insecure about them. And a lot of people like to comment on them, and it is not comforting to me. Like, why is this one visibly bigger? I hate that this lighting allows me to see every pore. Like, are they straight? No. Literally, they're like this. Like, here's the end of this eyebrow, and here's the end of this eyebrow. And I don't know why they're like that. Like, I'm sorry. Anyways, alright. So, on to eyeliner, which I also suck at with a handheld mirror. But we're gonna try. Is this recording? Is that recording? Is that recording? Oh my god. Yeah, it's recording. Okay. Anyways, I hope I can explain this well. I'm gonna do this eye first because I always start with this eye. I'm gonna turn this way. You guys can see it better. Alright, so I start, you can see I have some leftover because it doesn't all come up. I wore makeup yesterday, but I go like this. And I go kind of far just so like if I'm feeling a bigger wing or if I'm feeling a smaller wing, I can like kind of start far. And then I'm actually kind of far with this. I just kind of go as thick as I want. I kind of just go on how I feel that day, like how dramatic I want my eyeliner. Because some days I've been making big wings and some days they're just like medium or small, whatever. Like, see, I'll like mess it up. I'll make it look ugly, okay? But you'll see. Don't leave yet. Hold on. Patience. This is how I've always done it, and it's always worked for me. And a lot of people compliment me on my eyeliner, so I'm doing something right. So I'm gonna conceal it right now, so you guys can see like it does end up looking good. All right, so I'm gonna get a little bit of concealer, and this one doesn't need that much. So you just go from under. And then wipe it off. Of course you can probably do straighter lines than me, but this is how I've always done it and it's always worked for me. Every once in a while I will come out with like a good wing. That's very rare, like where it comes out and I don't have to conceal it. But see, like this is the part that takes me forever, like when my mom's waiting to eat. Which is why I tend to get ready before we get the food so that I'm already ready and we're not waiting. My lips are chapped. Okay. Yeah, see. So if I start not to like it, like how it's going in, I'll fill it again. There you go. Okay. I think that looks good, right? I have a little mess right here. And then I will put some of this on the bottom. The only thing I don't like about this is sometimes you have to really like drag your like the thing. See how it doesn't just come on? Which is why I don't wear this that much. And then mascara. Okay. And that's it. So let me show you up close, even though I don't want to. Hold on. I don't like that it looks like that when I open my eye, but like when I'm like this, it looks okay. Like normally I'll do a line right here, but yeah. So I'm gonna do it to the other eye. I hate how my eyebrow looks. I kind of just want to like, there you go. But I'm gonna do this off camera, even though I'm super lazy and I don't want to. But I'll do it anyways for thumbnail purposes. Okay, so I'm done. It doesn't. So yeah, that's my everyday makeup. Not super in depth, but you understand the concept. It's not that serious. This is literally what I do, and if I don't do eyeliner, it's just my eyebrows and mascara. So that's my everyday makeup, and I hope it helped with starting eyeliner. I know I struggled with eyeliner in the beginning. It was it's a struggle, and if you suck at first, you'll get better. I promise. Trust me. This took 4 years. 3. Because when I first started, it was bad, but then it got a little bit better, and then, this is how I like it, and this is how I'll stay doing it. But, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'm excited for the next video. And follow my Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.